Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses the Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0501, which indicates an issue with the continuously variable transmission CVT speed sensor circuit. The CVT speed sensor is crucial for measuring the rotational speed ratio between the CVT speed sensor and the CVT drive pulley speed sensor. When this ratio is out of specified limits, the Transmission Control Module, TCM, registers an abnormality and stores the P0501 code. The correct functioning of the speed sensor is vital, as it directly influences the vehicle's performance and efficiency. Understanding this error is essential for accurate diagnosis and repair in Honda Civic models from 2022 onward. The DTC P0501 points to a malfunction in the CVT speed sensor, which plays a vital role in the vehicle's transmission operation. Its main function is to provide real-time measurements of the vehicle's speed to the TCM for optimal performance adjustments. This sensor is mounted near the CVT assembly, traditionally located where it can accurately gauge the drive pulley speed. When the TCM detects that the sensor's performance is outside the expected performance range, it triggers this error code. Monitoring the speed of the vehicle is crucial for maintaining smooth gear transitions and effective power delivery. An issue with this sensor can lead to various performance issues and needs immediate attention. Several factors can lead to the triggering of DTC P0501. The first potential cause is a poor connection between the CVT speed sensor and the TCM, which could hinder communication essential for functioning. Additionally, a faulty CVT speed sensor is another probable cause, indicating that the sensor itself may not be operating correctly. Lastly, improper installation of the sensor can also result in misreadings, which prevent it from relaying accurate data to the TCM. It is crucial to consider all these potential causes when diagnosing the problem, as each can lead to significant performance issues in the CVT system. Addressing these causes effectively will help restore proper functionality of the speed sensor. When the DTC P0501 is triggered, several symptoms may become apparent. Drivers may experience rough or inconsistent shifting of gears, which can create a perception of a loss in driving smoothness. The vehicle's speed may also become erratic, leading to unexpected acceleration or deceleration during operation. Another common symptom includes the illumination of warning lights on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential malfunction within the CVT system. Understanding these symptoms not only assists in accurately diagnosing the issue, but also in determining the urgency of the required repairs. Identifying these warning signs early can help prevent further damage to the vehicle's transmission system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0501 involves raising the vehicle securely, making sure it is properly supported. It's essential to let all four wheels rotate freely during the inspection to simulate driving conditions. Next, start the engine and disable the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) system, as we want to focus on diagnostics without interference from electronic stability controls. This step is crucial, as it sets the stage for running the tests needed to evaluate the CVT speed sensor's performance. It's important to ensure that the vehicle is in a safe working condition before proceeding with diagnostic procedures, protecting both the technician and the vehicle components during the inspection. During the second step of troubleshooting DTC P0501, the vehicle must be run with the shift lever in the D drive position. It's important to maintain the engine speed at or above 1,000 RPM throughout this process, as adequate engine revs ensure proper operation of the transmission and related components. After reaching the desired RPM, the technician should release the accelerator pedal for at least 4 seconds. Observing the vehicle's behavior during this time is critical. It allows you to monitor how the CVT responds once the accelerator input is removed. This step helps in simulating driving conditions and analyzing how the transmission engages under different scenarios, assisting in identifying any irregularities in the speed sensor's performance. In the third troubleshooting step for DTC P0501, the next action is to gradually slow down and bring the vehicle to a complete stop. This is necessary to analyze the TCM's response to changes in vehicle speed and to note any abnormal readings that may present during the testing phase. It's important to closely monitor the outputs from the TCM to check for any discrepancies between expected and actual performance. Understanding whether the TCM registers a proper speed from the CVT speed sensor at this point can help pinpoint whether the sensor is operating correctly or if further investigation into the sensor or its connections is needed. This thorough checking is a critical process in ensuring that no underlying issues are missed. The fourth step in the troubleshooting process involves a detailed inspection of the connections and terminals between the CVT speed sensor and the TCM. A poor connection can create intermittent problems that lead to the triggering of the error code P0501. You should also verify that the installation of the CVT speed sensor is flawless to ensure it's positioned correctly and functioning as intended. Look for any signs of corrosion, damage, or loose wiring that could affect the sensor's ability to communicate properly with the TCM. Proper maintenance of these connections is essential for the longevity of the sensor and the effectiveness of the CVT system as a whole. This step ensures that any issues in the connection are addressed immediately to avoid further complications. After performing the necessary repairs for DTC P0501, it is crucial to clear the DTC from the vehicle's memory using a diagnostic scanner. This step resets the system, allowing the TCM to relearn the new conditions of the repaired components. Following that, take the vehicle for a test drive to verify that all repairs were effective and that the vehicle operates smoothly without any warning lights being triggered. During the test drive, it's important to monitor for any reoccurrence of error codes, ensuring that the previous issues have been resolved. Final verification allows you to confirm that the transmission system is functioning optimally, and it reassures the technician that the problem has been effectively addressed. Engaging in this detailed post-repair check will enhance the reliability of the vehicle to ensure the CVT speed sensor continues to operate effectively and to prevent the occurrence of DTC P0501. Implementing a robust preventive maintenance schedule is essential. Regular inspections of the electrical connections between the sensor and the TCM can help preempt any performance issues. Additionally, monitoring TCM outputs during routine diagnostics can assist in identifying discrepancies early on. Performing periodic checks of the sensor installation can also safeguard against possible alignment or installation errors. By adhering to these preventive measures, you can extend the service life of the CVT system, improve overall vehicle performance, and reduce the risk of future failures. Such proactive maintenance is invaluable in ensuring ongoing reliability and efficiency of the Honda Civic. In conclusion, DTC P0501 signifies an issue with the CVT speed sensor circuit, which can lead to critical performance problems in Honda Civic models from 2022 onward. It is essential to follow proper diagnostic procedures to accurately identify and resolve the underlying issue causing this DTC. Understanding the components involved, alongside meticulous inspection and testing, can greatly enhance the effectiveness of repairs. Additionally, engaging in preventive maintenance practices will help keep the CVT system running smoothly and reduce the likelihood of encountering this error in the future. Being proactive with vehicle care not only promotes operational efficiency, but also protects the investment in the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!